Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a cake. Let's get started and I will show you all the ingredients that we need. The ingredients we need are cake mix, a bowl, that's a big bowl, something to mix it, and 3 eggs, vegetable oil, and a water. So the measurement of the water is 1.5 cup, and the vegetable oil you only need 1 cup. It's time to bake. First, we have to heat for 350 Fahrenheit. Turn the oven. It's 350 Fahrenheit and start. So we have to wait until it reaches the temperature of 350 Fahrenheit. So while the oven is on, we have to mix all the ingredients. Step 2, mix the cake mix, water, the oil, and eggs in a large bowl. Now we're going to put it together, all the ingredients, on a bowl.
DJ.
Three eggs in there. Then this is 1 cup.
Get some.
1.5. Now we have to measure 1/2 of vegetable oil. Mix all together. Well, until about 2 or 3 minutes until it mix is good. Or you can also use the machine, but I do it manual.
Get some.
Keep mixing until it mixes completely. It looks good. Then our oven is already reaching to 350 Fahrenheit.
Yes, DJ.
Now it's been 2 minutes and it's all mixed. Then it's ready to put it on a baking dish. And then we have to put that one here in our baking pan. the one on the pan. Then we have to put it in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Set the timer for about 30 minutes and I'll check it if it's done. So I will check on you guys later on and update the stuff and update the cake if it is done. Then I'll see you later. Hi guys, it's time to check our cake in the oven. Let me check if it is done. Oh yeah, it's done. Let it cool down for about 10 minutes before you remove from the pan. Hey guys, my cake is all done and this is the result. I have a little bit of frosting on top of it. So it is ready for dessert, and today I also baked my own cake for Mother's Day, and I'm proud of myself that I baked it for me, so I don't need to go out to the store. So let's eat. Now guys, I have to slice the cake so we can eat for our dessert tonight. Let's see how it tastes. Now let's try our cake, guys. It is very delicious. I baked a cake for Mother's Day, so I deserve this cake. This is very delicious. That's it, guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and also put comments and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next time. Bye bye guys.